Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how I can make LED blinking program with the clock pulses in Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my schematic manager software, and here I will explain you how we can check our first clock pulses of our PLC. So go to the hardware. Here you can see which PLC is connected with you. That's Matic Manager 300. That's go to the hardware and double click on add-on, and after double click here, and after here you can see this the clock pulse memory. This is all data you can be file retentive memory, interrupts, communications, protection, all is here you can find, but we are finding here clock pulse memory. Here you can see this is scan cycle monitoring time, and this is check mark must be check this one and click OK. And after this one, go to the blocks and here OB block and right click here and go to the variable table. I already created this one variable table, and here you can double click at on this one, and here you can select this one all, and if you like to be edit this one also you can go it here, and this is edit. Yeah, this is trigger mode. Here you can see also the some functions, trigger point, how you like to be triggered this one, beginning of scan cycle, end of scan cycle, transition of stop, or once or every cycle, same as trigger point for monitoring. This all data you can set, and after you can click it OK. So after this one all you have to be monitor. If you like to be click on save, and after go to the monitoring. When you go to monitor, after you can see here this M 1.0 is a 100 millisecond timer, milliseconds, very fast this giving the pulses, and M 1.1 is more than giving little means less than, yani it should start from here M 1.7. You can see this is the 1 second clock pulse, 1.5 this one, but this is M 1.6 also same. This 1.5 is 1.0 second look like. And how we can apply this in all, cancel this all, and you can go to OB, and here you can make just this one open, and that's output, and here you can give the M 1.6, and next there here give address Q124.0. for example, this is my first input of my first output of my PLC, and download this one, and just you can monitor this, and also you can here you can see this is how it's working. After you can apply this one M1.6 in your program for LEDs, whatever you like to be make, but this is giving to you continue pulses. In camera, if you like to be see, I will show you to in my camera. You can see this is clock pulses 1 second, clock pulse 1.5 second, this one is a clock pulse. And if you like to be change this one, for example, this is I will change 1.5, and after you will be see again I download, oh sorry, this is M 1.5, and click enter and download to the PLC. Now you can see this is the change behavior of your PLC. It's now going fast. This is first time 1.6 is a little slow. See, this is very fast. Same as 1.4, 1.3 and 1.0 is just go to in milliseconds. But how much speed you like to be set in your um, program, you can use this one. For example, here you like to be choose M1.7 and download it again, and now you can see the time. This time is changed. This monitoring also you can see here the status, right? And also if you like to be see this one, for example, any how you like to be change this one, this I delete this one queue. And also for example we use one counter, so for example here you can use counter, and for example C0 we will choose, and this you download to the PLC and make it monitor. And after here you will see the pulses. Sorry, this is here we have to be first give any data register, for example MW0 I will write, and again download. And now you can see this is single pulse giving 25, 26, 27, and this value MW0 you can go in comparator sections here, greater than, equal, whatever you like to be you use for increment and decrement. You can use this pulses for this also counters, increment and decrement. MW0 in previous videos already I explained about this all comparator commands how can use in the program. After this pulses also you can use for this use pulses. So hope guys you will be understand about this clock pulses. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.